Everyone thinks the best-selling dual-fuel range is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Cosmo F965 NF. Let's kick things off with the Cosmo F965 NF dual fuel range. Priced at around $1,706.74. What caught my attention was its high-performance burners and stylish stainless steel finish. If you want an efficient and modern cooking experience, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 5 burners include an 18,000 BTU powerhouse that can boil water in no time, and a 5,000 BTU option perfect for simmering delicate sauces. The Turbo True European Convection Oven ensures your baking is evenly cooked at lower temperatures, which can save you time and energy. With a 4.4 cubic feet capacity, it's spacious enough for family meals. It's got an average rating of 3.8 stars from 110 reviews, showing that many users appreciate its performance, yet it has room for improvement. Now, some people complained about the control knobs being a bit stiff. Here's the thing though, while that can be annoying, it doesn't really affect cooking performance, and it might be a deal breaker for those who prefer a softer touch. This is perfect for you if you're a home cook looking for reliability without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're after ultra-premium features. For its price point, it's a solid choice. Now, if the Cosmo's slightly stiff knobs bother you, the next one takes a completely different approach with its sleek design and features. Product number 2, Zline RA SN36. Next up is the Zline 36 inches. Legacy Dual Fuel Range, priced at $2,974.99. The first thing you'll notice is its stunning satin stainless steel door, which adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. If you want a blend of style and performance, this range is definitely worth considering. Here's why this matters for you. With a 4.6 cubic feet oven and 6 Italian-made burners, you'll get a cooking power from 1,000 to 18,000 BTUs. This means you can throw a massive family dinner without worrying about space or heat distribution. The electric convection oven ensures everything cooks evenly, so no more burnt edges or undercooked centers. It also boasts triple-layer oven insulation, which helps maintain consistent temperatures. With a 4.1 star rating from 5 reviews, it seems many are pleased, but there's a catch. Some users noted that the installation can be a bit tricky, especially if your kitchen layout is not standard. But honestly, once it's set up, it performs like a dream, so it might just be worth that little extra effort. This is perfect for you if you love entertaining and want a range that can keep up with your culinary skills. Skip this if you prefer a simpler setup or a lower price point. For those who value performance, this is a great investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for spacious cooking needs. Product number 3, Forno Galliano. Moving on, we have the Forno Galliano 36-inch freestanding dual fuel range, which comes in at $2,898. This model caught my eye with its impressive 83,000 BTU output and gorgeous French door design. If you want power and aesthetics, this range is worth a serious look. This matters because it has 6 seal burners that provide both high heat searing and gentle simmering, making it versatile for any dish. The spacious 5.36 cubic feet true convection oven is perfect for baking and roasting, ensuring all your meals come out perfectly cooked. Plus, cleanup is a breeze thanks to the recessed black enamel cooktop that contains spills. With a perfect 5-star rating from 2 reviews, it's getting rave reviews. However, some users mentioned that the knobs can feel a bit cheap. But honestly, given its impressive cooking capabilities and design, that's a minor snag that doesn't overshadow its performance. This is perfect for you if you love cooking for a crowd and want a stylish centerpiece in your kitchen. Skip this one if you're looking for a more basic or smaller range. For its price, it's a fantastic deal considering the features. Now, if the French doors and power intrigued you, the next one offers even more cooking space. Product number 4, Zline RA BLM 36. The next range is another Zline model, the 36 inches. Legacy dual fuel range with a sleek black matte door, priced at $2,974.99. This design is not just about looks. It's also about delivering professional-level performance. If you want style without sacrificing functionality, this range is definitely worth a look. Here's the kicker. With its 4.6 cubic feet oven and 6 powerful burners, you get consistent heat distribution that helps achieve gourmet meals at home. The landscape oven window gives you ample viewing space, so you can keep an eye on your dishes without opening the door. The oven's premium insulation keeps heat locked in, which is perfect for baking. It currently holds a strong 4.5-star rating from 2 reviews, indicating it's a solid contender. On the downside, some buyers felt that the oven could take a bit longer to preheat. But here's the thing, once it's up to temperature, it cooks evenly and beautifully, making it worth that little wait. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish range that delivers on performance. Skip this one if you're looking for something less expensive or with a quicker preheat. For the quality, it's well worth your money. Now, if you're after something even larger, the next one is a serious powerhouse. Product number 5, Forno 48-inch. Finally, we have the Forno Galliano 48-inch dual fuel range, priced at $2,998. This one is massive and boasts 8 sealed brass burners, so if you're serious about cooking, this is your dream range. If you want ultimate cooking control and space, this is definitely worth considering. Why is this significant? With 6.58 cubic feet of oven space and a dual convection system, you can cook multiple large dishes simultaneously, which is perfect for holidays or dinner parties. The powerful burners range from a low simmer to a scorching 20,000 BTU, giving you flexibility for any cooking style. It has a 3.7-star rating from 12 reviews, showing it has fans, but also some room for improvement. That said, some users reported that the range can be quite heavy, making it a challenge to move. But I'll be real with you. Once it's in place, it's built to last and perform exceptionally, so the weight might not be a deal breaker for committed cooks. This is perfect for you if you love to entertain and need a range that can handle it all. Skip this one if you have a smaller kitchen or only cook occasionally. For serious home chefs, it's a fantastic investment. To wrap it up, we've explored 5 amazing dual fuel ranges. The Cosmo F965NF for reliable cooking, the Zline RSN 36 for style and performance, the Forno Galliano for power and aesthetics, the Zline RABLM 36 for a blend of luxury and functionality, and finally, the Forno 48-inch for the ultimate cooking experience. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, but they all aim to make your cooking effortless and enjoyable. Choose the one that best fits your kitchen needs.